Hello, I'm going to make a short video here on how to assemble the Miracle Dressing Age in 911 Legrand. It's a little different than some of our other models, but anyway, I'm got the pieces all laid out here, and this side is put together. It's got removable handles and a cross tube. So the interesting thing is here on this is the cross tube is removable. So to install it, you have to pull this pin that holds this retaining bushing in. And you take the cross tube, turn it around, and put the end in with the arrows until it comes up to the bushing, and then you can push the bushing out and then remove the cross tube and turn it around and put it in the other way. This has a stop on it. So basically when you put this tube in this way, it's locked in. It's got a range of short to long. Anyway, you put the bushing back in and line up the hash marks and press it in, and then line up the holes and put the pin back in that locks it in. That locks the bushing in place. And now the cross tube slides in this 8 inches range, but it doesn't come out on either way. Anyway, we also have these O-rings that come with some of the units, and they help keep the sliders in place. We also have a little tool that comes with it to adjust the O-rings. They're pretty tight, one for each side. So you just get them started on there, kind of roll them on, and use the tool to slide them down. So this tool you can kind of put in the middle. If you want to leave it there, you can. If not, you can take it out. And you can start the other side in, put it in, push it together. And there you go. It's that part's put together. And then the handles are removable also. This has got a pin that holds it in when it's shipped. So you pull the pin out. And this also has, they have brands on each side. One's a heart, one's a star. This one, you just line it up, put it in, and put the pin in the retaining pin in there. Holds it in place. Kind of pretty tight fit, so that covers that. And then the dressing bars, they have hash marks on them too. It shows you where if they're installed all the way. They can put them in one at a time, kind of get a feel for it. That pretty much covers it, except for the top handle. Done.